Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka DK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys to do the outward K snare.
ADK beatbox.
The outward K snare is one of the easiest of the many snares to learn and perfect for beginners to begin with because it's just really an overpowered K sound. You can learn the sound by telling the word kite and stressing on the initial K and removing the vocals from it, like kite, kite, kite. When you do the sound, the air coming from your throat is blocked by the back of your tongue to get the K sound. Or you can put the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth to block the air and get a sound which is more powerful, precise and clear, like. After you get the sound, a perfect practice beat would be to do the sound repetitively like and make the sound more powerful and precise. Or to spice it up, you can add it along with the kick drum and get a groovy beat like. And another pattern would be like. And that's it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learned this sound, and if you guys learned something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And if you guys still got any doubts regarding the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn beatboxing. And until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Hash.